Hello friends, welcome to the Acharya Prabhuddha channel. This is your friend and astrological consultant Acharya Prabhuddha, and I will help you to make aware astrologically, and I will also help you to achieve your goal. Today in this video you are going to talk about important lines in our hands. And the most significant line in our hand is the lifeline. This line is called lifeline. This line is called lifeline. It starts from the middle of this first finger and thumb. So this line is called lifeline. The lifeline is called the line of your health, of your longevity, of your energy and happiness. This should be a single line and should be free from chain-like structures. There should not be any break in your lifeline. Breaks indicate that some sorts of accident or physical illness will happen at that particular time period. If lifeline is short, it indicates shorter life. Lifeline should neither be too thick or too thin. If lifeline is extremely thick, that will show that your life will be dull. And if it is extremely thin, that will show your extremist behavior. You will have extremist kind of nature. So a moderately thick, deep and clear lifeline shows that you will be full of energy, you will be interested in sports, and there will be happiness in your life. A shallow line indicates health problem and you could easily fall ill. A small line will indicate small success, and a big line going the branches going upward from the lifeline indicates success. Like this kind of line going upward from the lifeline shows success. You will find a lot of such small lines going upward starting from the lifeline. So these lines shows success, and if there is a big line, that normally shows that success in your career, that you will get a job in that particular time, the job which you were trying for a long time. And those who are in business will have some kind of achievement in their business, or will have some bigger achievements if the branch going upwards from the lifeline is bigger. If your lifeline is divided in two parts at the end, if your lifeline is divided in two parts like this shows that you will have a visit in other country, in foreign countries, and you may also get settled there. And this is also possible that you will never come back to your own country. Then okay, so now we will talk about the second most important line. But before that, please like this video and also subscribe the channel so that we can get connected in future also, and if any other video is uploaded, you will get notified. So now we will talk about brain line or headline. This line is called brain line. This line is called brain line. It divides the hand in two parts. Brain line is the most important line in the hand because it indicates your intellect, your problem solving ability, your mental strength and anxiety or cheerfulness. And if a person has a long brain line or headline, the person will have good intellect, good intelligence, and such person will have very good problem solving skills. If there is any break in the line, that is not considered good. If there is any break in the line, that is not considered good. Suppose the brain line is having a break like this, so that shows there will be some kind of mental agony, or there will be some kind of mental problem, or an anxiety could be created in the person's life. A straight line shows the person will be practical. If this line is straight like this, so that shows the person will be practical. But if this line has a curve, like if this line is moving like this, so that will shows that person will be emotional and will have at the same time some creative ability. So in the hands of creative person will normally find this kind of line which is curving towards the mount of moon. This mount is called the mount of moon. But yes, if your line has too much of curve, then that will also create too much of an anxiety, and you will unnecessarily have a lot of tension which is not real. So for the person, so such kind of person, it is advisable that this would refrain from taking too much of unnecessary tension and overthinking. This would restrain from overthinking. If a straight line like this has a branch which we can see in this hand, that shows the person will be creative. This kind of fork is called writer's fork. In mostly in the hands of authors, writers, you will find this kind of fork, and such people will be successful in their career, in creative career, because of the straight brain line. The person will also have the understanding of the creative aspect. So this is considered a very good line. Apart from these two lines, the third most important line is heart line, and this line is called heart line. This line is called heart line. And as you can understand from the word itself, that is heart line. Heart line symbolizes your personality, your love life, and your social connectivity, and your convivial behavior, or maybe you could be reserved. So these things are shown through heart lines. Yes, heart line should be a single line free from any kind of chain. It should not be very thick. If there is too much of chain like structure like this in your heart line, that will show that you will have some kind of heart problem, or your love life or the married life will not be that successful. If your heart line is terminating on the mount of Saturn, that is below this finger, middle finger, then such person will have inclination towards physical pleasure, and will have less emotions, and also will not be that convivial, will not be that warm, and could also have some kind of loneliness, and this kind of person could suffer from some kind of heart problems. If this line is terminating is if heart line is terminating here, at this point here, which is in the middle of the first finger and the middle finger, that is considered a very good combination. Person with such line will have very good personal life, will have good social connectivity, and will have very good love life also. If this line is terminating on the mount of Jupiter, this mount is called mount of Jupiter, that is below the first finger, such person will have a spiritual behavior, and will be extremely emotional and warm person, and will be somewhat popular among their relatives and the people with those he is connected. So this is called good line if it is terminating on the mount of Jupiter. If heart line is straight line and it is going straight towards the end of the palm, this kind of person will be extremist person, and anything they will start, they will do it very passionately, but at the same time they will be little isolated from the family life, and personal life could not be so good, that good. But such persons are very good in their you know in their career, because anything they will start, they will do it very passionately. So such lines you will find in the hands of celebrities. This line is considered good for celebrities, but then you will have some kind of loneliness in your life if you are having such lines in your hand. So today we have talked about three lines. There are many other important lines also, like the luck line and sun line, but we will talk about those lines in next videos. Till then, take care and keep yourself happy.